This Asenlin 40-liter travel backpack in black works well as a flight-friendly carry-on that fits overhead bins while still offering generous packing space. The main compartment opens like a suitcase and includes 3 organizing bags plus elastic straps, which makes it easy to keep clothes and gear neatly in place on the move. A dedicated padded sleeve protects a 17-inch laptop, and the backpack can slide over a rolling suitcase handle or be carried by hand for flexible transport. The water-resistant polyester Oxford fabric and sturdy, reinforced zippers give the bag a durable, confidence-inspiring feel for frequent travel. Thoughtful touches like a stowable shoulder strap system, side pocket for a bottle or umbrella, and a front reflective strip make it practical for both day use and late-night arrivals. Compression straps and a well-balanced design help keep the load stable and comfortable, so the backpack remains manageable even when packed for a full weekend trip.